Hey there everyone. So in today's video I thought I'll talk about the harsh reality of manifesting your ex. Now I know there are several people out there who want to manifest their ex back and they think it's going to make their life feel more complete and more accomplished, but here are few harsh truths that you need to realize from a very subconscious perspective. First thing is that you lost them because that is your subconscious pattern. Now remember, whatever we went through between the ages of 1 to 9 actually repeats itself in our adult life. Now, especially when we're talking about the father wound, because the father helped the child regulate 5 traits. Now, these 5 traits are self-confidence, self-esteem, self-respect, self-worth, and sense of identity. Now, these traits, whenever they are damaged as a result of a father wound, they can either be in excess or in deficit. But usually when they are in deficit, you end up attracting partners that sort of cheat on you or make you feel less worthy, or they sort of abandon you. So those emotions will be triggered again and again in every situation that you are in. Now, I have seen this with a lot of my clients who have healed their subconscious mind. They have been able to manifest their ex back. Now, here's something that I really want you guys to understand why you shouldn't be doing that. Once you heal your subconscious pattern, your subconscious mind is designed to attract whatever you truly desire, and you may end up attracting your ex, but that relationship will still not work out. The reason is we attract what we feel inside. Now that you have healed, you will attract them easily. However, in order to be in a sustainable and long-term relationship, you both need to share the same subconscious mind map. And that means they haven't healed and you have healed. Now, I have been through several experiences even in my life where I was able to attract my ex, but the only problem is that relationship will never be sustainable because they haven't healed. You cannot push them to heal. If you try to push them to heal, your subconscious mind can also get damaged as a result of that. You cannot force anyone to heal. So what I highly recommend to a lot of my clients and even you guys is, once you have healed, allow your subconscious mind to manifest someone that aligns with your new subconscious pattern, where you have all the father wound and mother wound removed, so that all the traits that are influenced by father as well as the mother are balanced, so that you attract partners who are really balanced. And once you do that, you will have relationships that are really sustainable. And a matter of fact is, once you heal, you attract partners that are balanced. Now, the matter of fact is, once you heal, you attract partners that are really compatible with you. You need to be really patient about it, but you need to also understand that it might take a bit of a time, but you will attract relationships that have new pattern, and that new pattern will be really healthy. Now, whether you're trying to manifest your ex or you're trying to break your toxic recurring pattern in relationship, here's something you need to understand. It starts with healing. You need to heal your subconscious mind. That is the only way. Whether you want to attract your ex or you want to attract the best relationship in your life, you need to start healing. Once you break your subconscious patterns and build these new patterns, your subconscious mind will attract you towards new experiences that will make you feel much better than being with your ex. Your ex left you because that was part of your pattern. Now that you have a new pattern, your new pattern will emerge, and your new pattern is in alignment with your desires. This is why I highly recommend to a lot of the people, do not try to manifest your ex back. But even though I say that, a lot of my clients go like, I still want to manifest my ex, so I don't stop them. Go ahead, try it out. But at the end of the day, they do realize, yep, that's not meant to be. So they end up leaving their ex, and at the end of the day, they find their true happiness. So the lesson that you guys need to understand is that your only attachment to your ex is because of your trauma bond. You are attracted to them because you have been familiar with your traumatic patterns, and your trauma was playing out even in your relationship. The moment you heal your trauma, you wouldn't even desire them. You will feel so balanced. And even if you desire them, the relationship wouldn't work out, but it wouldn't hurt you. The best thing is, it wouldn't hurt you. So go ahead, try it out. But at the end of the day, you need to spend your life in a healthy manner. So if that is something that is going to interest you guys, I highly recommend you guys to join my 15 days instant healing program. But remember, this program is not for everyone who thinks that they want to manifest their ex back. This is only for you to break your subconscious pattern, and you are only supposed to be enrolling into this program if you are 100% sure this is going to work for you, because placebo effect takes place. Even if you have a shred of doubt, this program might not work for you. And I do not push people towards my program. I actually push them away so that I can filter out people who are 100% sure that this program is meant for them. And if that is you, you can sign up for that free mini therapy session with me. In that session, I will analyze your subconscious mind map and understand your subconscious patterns. And if I feel like I can promise you the results, because results are something that I promise with my program, and only if I can promise you the results, I'll enroll you into my program. However, if I feel like I cannot promise you the results, or you might be just focused on manifesting your ex back, I might refuse you, because that is pretty conditional. So I'll leave a link to my free mini therapy session in the comments and in the description so you guys can check it out. I hope this video helps you guys understand that manifesting your ex won't make you feel fulfilled. The objective of healing should always be to have a life that you truly desire. I'll see you guys in the next video. Up until then, stay happy, stay blessed, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a lovely comment to show some love. Bye bye.